Tokyo Governor Election Manifesto. Welcome. This repository is an open-source project for discussing and improving Takahiro Yasuno's manifesto with everyone. Introduction. The contents of this repository can also be viewed on the following website. Policy Repository. Table of Contents. Tokyo Governor Election Manifesto Introduction. Table of Contents Overview Manifesto. For first-timers, recruitment period, providing feedback, raising issues, issue, making changes, pull request, reflecting proposed changes, notes, prohibited actions, copyright, developer information, overview. Takahiro Yasuno's political policies are open source. Anyone can freely propose changes to the manifesto. Manifesto. The current manifesto can be viewed here. Active generation, doubling income in new industries. Senior generation, ensuring thorough medical care and disaster prevention. Future generation, creating the world's best childcare and education environment. Administrative operation, making administration simpler and more transparent. Democracy, rapid reflection of public opinion for first-timers. If you want to participate or contribute but are unsure how to do so, please start by reading this recruitment period June 20th, 2024, Thursday to July 6th, 2024, Saturday. After the Tokyo governor election, the repository will be made open source. Providing feedback, raising issues, discussing areas where Tokyo's policies or Takahiro Yasuno's manifesto can be improved or added. To raise an issue, click here. GitHub Issues. Instructions on how to create a new issue. Instructions on how to comment on an issue. Making changes, pull request. Making specific changes to Takahiro Yasuno's manifesto. Submit proposed changes here, GitHub. Instructions on how to propose changes. Reflecting proposed changes. Received proposed changes will be reviewed by Takahiro Yasuno. Whether or not to reflect proposed changes in the manifesto is at Takahiro Yasuno's discretion. Even proposals initially different from the manifesto will be seriously considered for reflection. Notes. Please communicate with mutual respect. Strive for constructive discussions. Use clear and concise expressions. When sharing information, indicate that it is based on reliable data and sources. When discussing, use appropriate issues or pull requests. If healthy discussions are not taking place due to violations of the guidelines, interactions in that thread may be temporarily restricted. Prohibited actions. Personal attacks, defamation, discriminatory remarks, harassment, posting spam or advertisements, violating privacy, posting violent, sexual, or offensive content. Other behaviors unsuitable for public policy discussions. Posts violating the prohibited actions may be hidden. Additionally, access to this repository may be blocked for violations. Copyright. This repository is published under the Creative Commons license CC BY 4.0. Redistribution, reproduction, adaptation, and modification for both commercial and non-commercial purposes are allowed, as long as proper credit to the copyright holder, Takahiro Yasuno, is given and a link to the license is provided. Please refer to the Creative Commons license website for details. The legal code can be found here. Contributors are considered to have agreed to third-party use of this repository under the Creative Commons license CC BY 4.0. Developer information. For information on contributing as a developer to this project, please refer to developers.md. It includes details on repository structure, setting up the development environment, coding guidelines, and more.